Welcome to Evisa. We specialize in e-visas, which are easy and fast to apply for and cost-effective. Planning an unforgettable trip to Indonesia requires a visa. However, are you still bothered by the cumbersome process of applying for a traditional paper visa? Don't worry, e-visa has become your best choice. Paper visa versus e-visa. The traditional paper visa process is often lengthy and complicated. You may need to prepare a lot of documents and go back and forth to the consulate or visa center, wasting your precious time and energy. With e-visa, these complicated steps become simple and quick. With WeVisa's e-visa service, you can complete the online application in just a few minutes. There is no need to submit documents in person, and you can save the trouble of queuing and waiting. In just a few simple steps, you can easily get your Indonesian visa. Once approved, the e-visa will be sent directly to your email. You only need to show the e-visa upon entry without having to worry about losing or damaging the paper document. Convenient, efficient, hassle-free. Compared with traditional visas, e-visas are not only easy to apply for, but also faster to be approved. Whether you are planning a short vacation or a business trip, e-visas are your smart choice. WeVisa provides you with professional e-visa services, allowing you to focus on every wonderful moment of your trip. No need to worry about visas. Travel to Indonesia easily. Visit WeVisa website now to experience the convenience and efficiency of e-visa and start a worry-free journey for your trip to Indonesia. Subscribe to our channel to get more travel information and visa strategies. WeVisa helps you travel easily in Indonesia.